Every day, thousands of talented people apply with hope, just like him. He thought this would finally be the email that changes everything. But he was rejected everywhere. Every application, every platform. He was confident, and he thought this was finally his moment. He applied to so many jobs. He believed all his effort would finally pay off. But days passed, and nothing came back. No replies, no feedback. Just silence.
You worked hard, but effort alone doesn't guarantee opportunity. The industry looks for more than certificates. It looks for skills, real understanding, and people who know how real systems work. That's why practical learning matters. Learning with real-world exposure, real projects, and understanding how the industry actually works.
I have a question. Then why do people learn all of this?
Platforms like Micronetbd Education are trying to bridge that gap, not just by teaching, but by preparing people for real work. The right direction can change everything, because effort matters, but direction creates value. Join Micronetbd Education and turn effort into opportunity.